Hello, friends! Welcome to English class! Bem-vindo à aula de inglês! Vamos aprender a contar em inglês? English, yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repita comigo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. What's inside the box? O que será que está dentro dessa caixinha? What's inside the box? Let's open. Vamos abrir. Let's open. Wow! It's an airplane. It's an airplane. Airplane. 2. Box 2. What's inside the box? O que será que está dentro da caixinha? What's inside the box? Let's open! Can you say open? Você consegue dizer open? Open. Very good. Aww. It's a little cat. É um gatinho. It's a little cat. Meow, meow, meow. 3. Box 3. Let's open. Say open. Fala open. Open. Oh, look! A little duck. A little duck. Patinho. A little duck. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. 4. What's inside the box? Let's open. Vamos abrir. Let's open. Oh, cool! A dinosaur. A green dinosaur. Rawr, rawr. 5. What's inside the box? Let's open. Open. Oh, how cute. A teddy bear. A teddy bear. Aww. Teddy bear. 6. Open. Oh, a robot. A robot. Very cool. 7. Let's open the box. Vamos abrir a caixinha. Let's open. Say open. Fala open. Open. Very good. Oh, look. It's a truck. A truck. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Truck. 8. Number 8. Let's open. Ooh. Oh, wow. It's a guitar. Guitar. 9. Can you say open? Open. Oh, another dinosaur. Purple dinosaur. 10. Box 10. What's inside? O que será que está dentro da caixinha? What's inside the box? Oh! Wow! Aw, it's a little bunny. It's a little bunny. É um coelhinho. Bunny. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop. Que divertido brincar com vocês e contar de 1 a 10 em inglês. Até a próxima aula. Bye, friends! See you next time!